welcome back to another Minecraft video. I'm going to show you how to make an oak house slash glass. So 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. Skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you want to go by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the 10th block 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to go by about 5 or 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. Then you want to get these matched up. So like that. These matched up. There we go. You're going to end up with something that should look like this. I know it looks like kind of like an L shape something. Now you want to get your oak planks and go 1 on the bottom. Just 1. Oops. This might take a while. This is going to be like an L-shaped house, so then you want to get out your glass. Well, actually you want to skip 1, 2, 3, 4, breaks these two, break these two, and then this, now get out your glass, then go like all around on top of the oak planks. Or just oak planks. And done. End up something with like this. Now get back out your oak planks. And then go on top of the glass by 2. So let's just do that. Sorry I don't have like the full screen. This might be like a 3-minute, 4-minute, 5-minute long video because it ain't really such a good house. It's really easy to build on a 2-story. So just about done. Okay, now place it on one of your things. We'll actually break that. Get out your glass. Wait, am I forgetting something? Grab your slabs, just in case. Yeah, I'm missing something. There you go. And I'll put glass as a roof, and they're done. Right when I get this glass finished up. Go. This is my video for today. It's like my first how to build a house video. So there we go. All done with the house. So guys, give a big fat thumbs up, subscribe please. And maybe the next video I'll show you how to build a freaking